Fractions, mixed addition. We have to solve these 5 fraction questions. You notice this time it's different to the first video in that we have got mixed fractions. In other words, we've got here the first one, 1 1/2. So to do that, it's very simple. We simply split the whole number away from the fractions, as I've done here. See the 1 going there, and regrouping, and we're going to add the half and the quarter together. Now, a half is just 2/4, multiplying the numerator and denominator by 2, and 2/4 plus 1/4 is 3/4. So the answer is 1 3/4. Okay, the next one, similar sort of thing. We split up the whole numbers. There's the 3 and the 2 there, and separate the fractions out. So 3 plus 2 is 5. Now 2/3, we'll change it into 6 by multiplying numerator and denominator by 2, getting 4/6. 4/6 plus 1/6 is 4 plus 1, 5/6. So the answer is 5 5/6. Alright, and this one here, same sort of thing. Separate the numbers out, 5 plus 4, and the fractions, and we get 3/5 plus 2/9 over here. Now, the lowest common denominator is actually 45, so we have to multiply the 3 by the 9, giving you 27, and the 5 by the 9, giving you the 45. Multiplying this one by top and bottom by 5, we get 10 over 45, which gives the result of 37 over 45, 937 over 45, by adding the 5 and the 4 also together. Now, number 4 is a slightly longer one. Again, separating these out, we get 8 plus 4, and 7/8 plus 5/6. Now, the lowest common denominator of 8 and 6 is 24. We don't just simply multiply these two numbers together. Right, so 8 goes into 24 3 times. So 3 times 7 is 21, and 3 times 8 is 24. 6 goes into 24 4 times. So 4 times the 5 is 20, and 4 times the 6 is 24. Now, when we add the numerators together, we get 41 24ths. So we need to change that back into a mixed fraction. So 24 goes into 41 once, and 17 left over. So now we add these two together, getting 13 and 17 24ths as our final answer. And that will be the hardest type you'd come across. Okay, and this is the hardest type, so you pause the video and have a go yourself. Oh, sorry, you see the answer, but have a go anyhow. Okay, so now we have the 3 and the 4 together, giving the 7. 11/15 plus 3/10. Now, the lowest common denominator of 15 and 10 is 30. Right, so you multiply this one by 2 and this one by 2, giving you 22 and 30. And the lowest common denominator is 30, so 10 to 30 goes 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 10 is 30. Adding these two together, we get 31 on 30. Okay, so now when we divide 30 into 31, we get 1 and 1 remainder. So we get 8 and 1/30th as the final answer. Okay, so that's the 5. So that covers all the addition. My next video will be on subtraction. A little bit tricky, but very, very similar to this one.